Let me say something carefully, because I've actually counseled a woman like this. Successful, responsible, entrepreneur, carries herself with grace like Mother Teresa in public. But privately, she had a full roster, not because she was reckless, but because she was empty in places nobody could see. See, some people don't act out in chaos. They act out in control. Every man served a purpose. One for conversation, one for validation, one for comfort, one for escape, one for money. And the danger is you can look whole to the world while being divided within yourself. So what's the solution? It's not exposure, it's integration. At some point, she had to sit with herself and ask, why do I need multiple people to meet what one healed life should provide? Because until you face that truth, you'll keep managing men instead of mastering yourself. Healing is when your private life and your public life finally agree. And when that happens, you don't need a roster anymore. You become enough, whole, steady, and at peace. Wholeness removes the need for options.